we'll guide you through how to use Blender's texture paint feature effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Blender and make sure you are in the Layout workspace. You need to have a 3D model ready for painting, so either import one or create a new one. Switch to the Shading workspace by clicking on it at the top of the interface. In the shader editor, make sure your object has a material. If it doesn't, click on New to create one. Add an image texture node by pressing Shift+A, navigate to Texture, and then Image Texture. Connect this node to the base color input of the principled BSDF shader. Click on the New button within the Image Texture node to create a new image. Give it a name, set your desired resolution, and press OK. Now, switch to the Texture Paint workspace at the top. You should see your model ready to be painted. On the left, you have the paint tools, like Draw, Soften, and Smear. To begin painting, use the Draw tool and adjust the brush size and strength in the options above. Make sure that the image you created is selected in the Image Texture node, so your paint is applied to the right texture. You can also change the color by clicking on the color box next to the brush settings. As you paint, your strokes will appear on the model in real time. To save your work, go back to the Shading workspace, select the Image Texture node, and in the Image Editor, click on Image, then Save As, to save your texture to a file on your computer. Remember, practice makes perfect, so experiment with different brushes and settings to get a feel for what works best for your project. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.